Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD. We continue to remain below the 100 moving average, that is the orange line, which will act as our temporary resistance at a price of $26.02. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we remain in slightly positive MACD and we're resting above the 50 moving average, this yellow line, now at the price of $25.70. If we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. For my trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV and my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $23.57, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 9-day moving average. My sell target is at $24.22, and my stop loss is at $23.31. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.35, and that is this range here. And my sell target is at $23.83, and my stop loss is at $24.64. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 67% chance for silver futures to climb between 0 to 1.6%, and to the downside we have a 33% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 1.6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.